Hi there, creative friends. Today, we're drawing a pilgrim hat, a classic Thanksgiving symbol. We'll use simple shapes like ovals, a trapezium, and squares to make it easy and fun. So grab your paper and pencil, and let's get started. First, let's draw an oval in the middle of the paper. This will be the brim of the hat. Make it nice and wide to give the hat a strong base. How's your oval looking? It doesn't have to be perfect, just a nice, wide shape. Ready for the next step? Now, above the brim, let's draw a trapezium. Start with a shorter line on top and a longer one below. Then connect the sides with slanted lines. This is the main part of our pilgrim hat. Are your lines straight and slanted? If not, no worries. You can always go back and adjust them. Next, let's add a small oval at the very top of the trapezium. This is the crown of the hat, and it gives our pilgrim hat a little extra style. Does your hat have a crown now? Awesome! You're doing great! Now it's time to add the hat band. Draw a curved rectangle across the bottom of the trapezium, just above the brim. The curve should follow the shape of the brim to make it look natural and stylish. Take your time to get the curve just right. How's that curved rectangle coming along? If the curve isn't perfect, no worries. You can adjust it later. You're doing an awesome job. Finally, let's add the buckle to the hat band. Start with a square in the center of the band, then draw a smaller square inside it, like a little frame. This is the signature detail of a pilgrim hat. Does your buckle look nice and neat? If you want, you can add a little shading inside the squares to make it stand out. And there you have it, a classic pilgrim hat for Thanksgiving. Great job, everyone! If you want to tweak anything or try drawing it again, remember you can always pause or rewind the video. Don't forget to share your drawing with family and friends. Keep practicing and have a happy Thanksgiving!